Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here going to run through the trade with you on this 16th day of July 2025. We just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and this is a room taken by just about everybody in the room because it was that obvious. We look at our old friend. If you've been with us any time, you know our wonderful indicator is a strong candle indicator. This little green arrow says take this candle when it closes, take it long. We've been waiting to get over this brick wall. We finally do. We're going to come back and test it, and then this is going to go very nicely long. Very low PVI today, eights. So we're going to go with our ATM. We're going to go with 4 times 2, then eights and 16s. We are trading the S&P 500 today, and this is how it went. So we're going to buy, put it over on the body of this candle. And here we go. It doesn't take long, if I remember properly. First thing we got to do is put our stop where it belongs. And then we can go ahead and once it gets rocking and rolling, it just bursts up there. So it doesn't take too long. First two targets are out, fours and eights. We got into we can't lose money on this trade now. Stop comes out underneath. We can move it to +1 if we want to, but we can just leave it where it is and go for our 16 tick target. So, again, we're only 2 times. This is pretty much real time. That trade took 1 minute and 15 seconds just about to complete and is worth 400 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 400 US dollars in less than a minute and a half, come and join us in the US closed live trading room at samuraidaytrading.com, samuraidaytrading.com, and we'll look forward to seeing you the next time. Take care.